Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Hudson County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wayne County in eastern Pennsylvania, southern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:40.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Danielsville, or 10 miles east of Lehighton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Easton, Lehighton, Forks, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown, Wilson, Washington, Blairstown, Nazareth, Ponderton, Bangor, Jimthorpe, Sladdington, Highbridge, Penardsel, Windgap, Bath, Belvedere, and Harmony. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, and Warren. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas.